How to enable and disable display over other apps in Redmi phone. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, launch the settings application on your device, and on the search bar of the settings you can just type on display over other apps over here and search for it. And as you tap on it, you can see the options. So tap on any of these options, and here you can see the option of display over other apps. So tap on it, and as you tap on it, you'll be able to see different applications, and you can select each and every application which you want to give the access to or which you do not want to give the access to. So for example, if I want to give the access to enable display over other apps for Grammarly, I'm going to tap on Grammarly and I'm going to allow this. So as you can see, I've already allowed it. So in order to disable it, all you have to do is just toggle this off, and you'll be able to disable the display over other apps for Grammarly in the Android device. So thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.